If your Instagram Reels aren't bringing you new PMU clients every single week, you are missing out. In this video, I will share the exact Reels ideas I give to my students so that you can stop guessing what to post and start attracting your dream clients who are excited to book with you. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Tere. I help artists skyrocket their skills with Now It's My Time program and get them booked out with my marketing program, which is the sponsor of today's video. So let's dive in. Let me show you my favorite reels that will make viewers into bookings. So first, let's review the before-after reels. Now, the first one is viral content, and you will see in a minute why. And I want to ask you, why do you think this is a viral piece of content? Why this got so many likes and views? From my point of view, as a video maker, I already see, and hopefully you see, even the first 3 seconds is just something bizarre. There's some boom going on the shot, and shots are changing one after another. It's engaging, and I'm sure the music is even more engaging. Yes, the music is trending and the brows just starting coming out. So this is really good idea. If you want to make it, do it. And remember, the first second of the video, the hook should be either bizarre, something unexpected, either funny, catchy, or anticipating the result. Now, this is another viral idea, is when a lady is eating something. Obviously, this doesn't make sense. Everyone is watching what is happening, what is going on, and the ladies keep making brows. So everybody is watching and staying till the end and still trying to understand why is she eating and what is going on this video. So this is another amazing idea. Very viral video, but again, it's viral because she's eating with the long nails and there is a sound behind. Actually, sorry, there is no sound in this particular video, but if you watch the original one, you will hear the sound of nails, of eating, which makes this video very interesting to watch. Now, there is one thing, these particular videos will go viral, but it doesn't mean clients. So to make this more client-friendly video, I would suggest at the end to actually invite them to your service. Make sure people know the location very clearly in the video, and also put location in the captions for the Instagram to push this video locally for you. So that's really important tip. Hope you remember and implement it. Another amazing idea is when before brows are really huge, really ugly, and there's mapping process going on, and then there is a result. It's also, the huge brows is also a hook. It's something very shocking, maybe to someone who don't know what is going on. So it's also going to be a strong video for you to make. I'm sure it was made by the camera, but I've seen amazing videos like these filmed on the phone, and it doesn't cost you anything to film on the phone. Let's start making trendy viral videos. Let's just view some of them more. I also like these videos because there is some picture of the pigments, so it also catches attention. So people do see brows, but they also see the pigment, so subconsciously it also attracts attention rather than just posting the brows without anything. This one is also catchy. People like to see the process, how it's done. So also a good idea for you to do. Probably this would be maybe the simplest one, because you can put your cell phone. If you use green light, you can put your cell phone into the light just above the client and easily film this type of the content. These are also very interesting and very easy to do in CapCut. But now let's view actually another type of reels that is also very important to put. So not just funny, engaging, viral piece of content, but something that actually will make your client safe to book with you. Something that actually brings desire to book with you. And these are the expert reels. That's where you educate your client, because people want to make sure they understand the process. Plus, it will help you to spend less time on consultation. And by the way, I had put all the Reels ideas that you see in this video and much more in one sheet. So if you want to grab it and review and get more ideas right away, just message me on my Instagram beauty slash with the keyword that you see on the screen, and I will send it to you. Now, this is not permanent makeup expert reel, but just example from cosmetic procedure reels. And again, he is talking about the process. He is sharing, is it painful, which also will be useful for you to film a reel about, is permanent makeup actually a painful procedure? And again, it will connect your client to you. And on top of that, it will differentiate you from competition. So remember that these reels will position you as an expert and make you way different from any other. So you can charge a lot of money to your clients. I guess your clients won't thank me for this. The same, Botox versus fillers. In your case, you can film microblading versus hair stroke technique and talk about the difference, the benefits. Again, if you are shy to film yourself, do not be, please, because this is the best way to get more clients. Build trust. Put prices high above the sky, build personal brand. And if you're not doing this, if you're still shy, well, we'll talk about this later. There are ways how to make yourself feel more comfortable, but these are really, really powerful. Even I can tell you the story. I was looking for eyelashes in Dubai, and I've seen so many pages, eyelash after eyelash. They've all seemed fine and looking nice to me, but I couldn't pick one because there was not a single page that had a person behind that I can see and that I can trust. And I wouldn't know, are those pictures taken from the internet? Are they real? But if I see the person and she's maybe, at least her pictures, at least some of the videos, that I would feel more safe. Even a simple procedure, a simple service as eyelashes. Now, another type of the reels is these. By the way, this is my favorite because they're so easy to do. You're basically sitting on the table and you are explaining about the client that came to you, or you're explaining about a particular case, so that the other people, when they're watching this type of the reel, they will recognize themselves. They see, wow, this is exactly the brows I'm having, and wow, this is how you helped that client. I really want to now come to you and do procedure with you. And again, I see the artist behind, I see the work, I see how she speaks. So again, it makes me trust her, trust the artist, and feel safe coming for such a complex procedure as permanent makeup, because it is not easy, it is face, and not everybody trusts anyone with their face. And also you can do this type of the content where background is your work and you explain about the case. Actually, we can use filters, so we can use anything. We can use AI apps to make us super pretty. So if you feel insecure, although I wouldn't understand why anyone would feel insecure, because here you're genuinely providing value. You shouldn't care much how you look, but more care about the value you provide to your client. So again, I'm trying to push you to actually not be shy about creating content where you are actually in it, show your professionalism. Even simple tricks like she could be even reading out the text on her screen. You don't even need to think about what you're going to say. You can just read it looking at your cell phone. There are filming techniques, and I had one student, she came to me, she was really shy to make the content, and then after I showed her the tricks about how actually making content is so easy. And there are tricks like putting the text and reading it and editing, so simple. And she's making her videos for herself now with the work, and it's been a game changer. Like clients, when they see her and the work and how she explained it, and she looking like all professional, trust me, you can charge so much more for your work and have so much more clients with this type of content. Another type of content is the storytelling. It's basically shot after the shot of the process that is going on, and then you put voiceover. I wanted to say voiceover, but there was the music. I do suggest still put yourself, your soul into this. So again, voiceover over this video with some of the music and behind shots. Maximum, I suggest 2 seconds for each shot. Even like how to get to your studio, what you will see when you arrive to the studio, also is amazing ideas. And then get ready with me ideas also. You don't even have to speak, but you can just do your thing, open the tools, and again put some voiceover over these reels. Again, amazing way to connect. And again, look how many likes she has, because people like other people. People like to be connected to other people. Your clients will find you and they will follow you, and there will be no competition because people like you. And then testimonials reels are also amazing. There's so many ways how you can do this. In CapCut, it's really easy to do these type of the reels. The brow reveals works so well. The reaction of the client, this is the best also videos to make other people who are still thinking, make them jealous and want to come to you to your procedures right away. Also, some more creative type of testimonials you can do. You can put the works here or testimonials as well. Even the reels that are funny. This is again will attract a lot of attention to your social media. Taking something huge and trying to do maybe a huge ruler and trying to do the mapping for eyebrows. It's also another amazing way to bring more viewers. But again, put your location, put your services at least at the end of the video so that Instagram pushes your content to the right viewers in your location. And then maybe don't put I love my clients, just I love my clients. They trust me with their brows in Houston. I just randomly told you, but obviously write more so that in case of somebody watching this funny reel, if it goes viral, people still can find you and see that where you're located and how they can book with you. So here's your challenge. Pick one reel, just one reel from this video that stood out the most to you. Plan it, invite your model, film it, edit it, and post it. Not next month, but post it immediately. And watch how your content starts to attract you clients. Remember, one powerful reel can do more than 10 average posts. And if you're sitting there and thinking this all sounds amazing, but I have no idea where to start or how to make it actually work for me, how to get booked out, you don't have to figure this out all alone. That's exactly what I help my students with. So just click the link below, book a free call. We'll look at your Instagram, your brand, map out a clear step-by-step plan for you to stand out and get fully booked, and you will be amazed of your potential. And if this video gave you ideas, hit the subscribe button, because next week we're going to discuss how to make your client come back for your another services.